Okay, today I'm gonna make quick fix noodle chicken soup. Okay, this is the homemade noodle. I'm gonna make quick fix soup, and the chicken right here I already boiled it, so I saved the freezer. So I just cut slice thin like that, white meat chicken. Okay, very easy, quick fix. And the soup right here, I boiled it. I put fish sauce. Sugar. I put the seasoning, mushroom seasoning for taste. That's it, very simple. But if you cook, it's up to you how much you cook. You can add on and taste how you like. Fish sauce, sugar, and mushroom seasoning. That's it. It's very simple. Okay. Okay. All I have to do just add fish sauce, a little bit. This kind of fish sauce I use three crabs. 3 crabs of good fish sauce. Good quality. Sugar, I'm gonna put just a little bit because I already put in there already. Now just add on to make it taste better. Alright, let the water boil. It's so simple. This is for 2 people. That's why I put a lot of water here. This is my ingredient: sugar, mushroom seasoning, soup, and fish sauce. That's it, guys. Very simple. So easy, quick fix. Eat at home and good food. Okay, chicken. Because the water boiling right now, very easy. Look at that. Just drop in there. Just drop in there. Very easy. Let them boil again. Then I drop the noodle. Okay, this noodle go to the pot. And just drop to the pot. Let them cook. It's for 2 people. Simple. It's a very quick fix, guys. So healthy and so easy and quality. See that? Let it cook. Okay, let it boil. Okay, let's taste. Oh yes, very good. But I need a little bit fish sauce, a little bit. See that? You taste first. If anything you need more, only add more. That's why. Depend how much you make. But so simple. The sugar, so simple. That's why I tried to show you. You know, all my ingredient is 1, 2, 3: sugar, mushroom seasoning, and fish sauce. That's it, guys. So simple to cook chicken noodle soup. See that? Let them boil, and this is good noodle soup. Okay, the noodle boiling right now. Easy and simple, guys. That's why I show you how to make quick fix chicken noodle soup. Look at that. Oh yes. Taste again. Whatever I need. It's so good. That's enough. Good taste. Okay, noodle soup, chicken noodle soup done. So go ahead and serve. Okay, just ready to serve. Look at that. So look at that, healthy chicken noodle soup, guys. Very healthy. For 2. Chicken noodle soup, guys. 2 bowls. Don't forget the topping of spring onion and cilantro. Spring onion and cilantro, just like that. See that? Spring onion and cilantro. It's very healthy. Chicken noodle soup, guys. You don't believe it. It's healthy. Put a lot. I love a lot of spring onion and cilantro. And deep fry onion. Deep fry onion. It smells so good. Or deep fried garlic, whatever you like. I available at my house. I have deep fried onion, just like that. And if you love spice, this is garlic hot cherry oil. Okay, right here, just put in here. Don't put too much because the spicy. If you love spicy, go for it. So what I do right here, simple and healthy chicken noodle soup, guys. See that? white pepper. Love white pepper. When you make the soup, you topping white pepper just like that. White pepper is spicy too, but you don't put too much. Put a little bit, just tasty. Just like that. There you have it. Look at that chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with 2 bowls. Make with no time. Very quick. Quick chicken noodle soup, guys. Very easy. I show you. You can do it on your own. And go ahead, try it. Ingredient so simple. Ingredient is sugar, mushroom seasoning paste, and then fish sauce. That's it. Simple. Just like that. See that? Okay, let's go eat. Okay, guys, you like this video? Thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you more good food to eat.
I see your guy eat on my
Bahama Mama can't go no wrong. This is good drink I make ever first time I make. And kapiak sen vaya guy. Oh my god, you can't get better than that. Okay, I'm gonna get busy now. I'm gonna eat. See you later.
She makes cell too.
Kapiak sen right here. I don't make good like you. You know why? Because I gotta try. I don't have time for that.
You should do it.
I know. I make good at home and I don't try. Still good taste.
She did. Her food is the bomb. Straight up.
So good.
I wish you could just see how we was just crushing other food trucks in DC. It was like it was on a whole nother level, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, you get the good thing about that.
How about that? This is Sky House, guys.
Yeah,
And my good house. Not a good house.
แซ่บบ่
Sabay.
how it is.
Okay, I'm get busy eating. Okay, guys. I cannot talk anymore.